Hello everyone. Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of service discovery. We will learn about finding and communicating with microservices. So, what exactly is service discovery? It's a mechanism that enables microservices to locate and communicate with each other dynamically in a distributed system. Think of it as a phone book for your microservices, allowing them to find each other without hard-coded addresses. Now, why do we need service discovery? There are a couple of key challenges it addresses. First, dynamic IP addresses. Services can be deployed anywhere, and their network locations can change. Service discovery helps keep track of these changes. Second, autoscaling. Instances of services come and go based on demand and health checks. Service discovery ensures that other services can still find them, even as they scale up or down. There are primarily two main patterns of service discovery. The first one is client-side discovery, where the client queries a service registry and handles the load balancing itself. And the second pattern is server-side discovery, where a load balancer queries the service registry and routes requests to the appropriate service instances. Let's take a closer look at client-side discovery with an example implementation. In this scenario, the client discovers and calls the service directly. The client first retrieves a list of available instances from the service registry. Then the client itself handles the load balancing, selecting the appropriate instance to call. Finally, it calls the selected instance using its URL. Now, let's examine server-side discovery with a load balancer configuration example. Here, the load balancer handles service discovery. The load balancer maintains a service registry. It fetches the list of available instances. The load balancer selects the instances and forwards the request to the selected instance. So, what are some popular tools for implementing service discovery? Let's discuss a couple of them. First, Consul, which is HashiCorp's distributed service mesh with health checking and a key value store. Second, Eureka, which is Netflix's REST-based service registry, specifically designed for AWS cloud environments. Before you implement service discovery, keep these considerations in mind. First, health checks. Implement health checks to monitor service availability and automatically remove unhealthy instances from the registry. Second, security and consistency. Secure access to the service registry and handle network partitions gracefully to maintain consistency. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.